how how Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome make money. Your keep to the world of Web 3 by Linux-based Mozilla launcher Firefox. In November, an alternative to Microsoft Internet Explorer browser. Its free surfaces Internet Explorer as the most popular browser in 2019 12 to its ads factors and greater security protection. Since Google Chrome released in December, its market share has suddenly increased to near 70%, while Firefox market share has dropped to roughly 8%. Why did Google want too long? And why did Google what wait so long to create a browser exclusive here and from it did I want to he was afraid of the company growing too fast and didn't want to start a new browser way according to an article in the well secret journals, however, on conference room was born, and it is silent. Climate has become a very popular part of the company. Monetize Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla released its annual financial statement is November for the providers. The company latest revenue number are from when the browser brought in near $1 million and 95% which come from released. Then this release refer to the percentage of advertising revenue, Mozilla revenue. However, someone use the build. In addition to search, released Mozilla earned money from donation and from respond new tab which can be usable. Keyword takeaway. Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are both extremely popular browsers. Chrome is ahead in market share and use over Firefox. Mozilla Firefox and Yahoo. Unity 2014, Mozilla and Google had a agreement that made Google the default search engine in Firefox in November, and however Mozilla announced that a partnership was over and that Yahoo would be Firefox's new default search engine for the next 5 years. Google Chrome. Examiner Google Chrome's revenue is much higher since Google doesn't list the revenue and experience for all of the service. This means that while Google Chrome browser, let's assume that your browser profitable. How does it may make money? The simple answer is the sum Mozilla Firefox Google extension. Complex risk free 1000k 100k virtual cash and related tools. What is the deep web and articles?